What is military AI? How is it different? Explosion of interest and investment a decade ago due to convergence of four key developments. Military context, potential enabler and force military of advanced weapon systems. AI applications categorized into operational, strategical and strategical level of warfare. AI related terminological and concepts. There are two different automation, field of artificial and intelligence. Artificial intelligence, it combine of robot and autonomy. Field of artificial intelligence, which is three sides: artificial intelligence, field of machine learning, deep learning. There are movies which was related to robots and AI systems. Racing blindly down the path towards autonomous weapons could have dire consequence of stability. Risk posed by artificial intelligence in the nuclear domain today are not necessarily new. There are many themes which was AI does not exist vacuum. Nuclear multipolar world order compounds AI effects. AI only needs to perceived as capable to have impacts. There are some research multifaceted possible interactions of AI with nuclear weapons, challenging long held of assumptions about deterrence of arm control and carry stability. Research theme 2: hyper warfare and compression of decision making time fair. Combination of autonomy and speed will likely have outsized strategic effects like operate, respond, gigahertz speed in the use of military force. Human error and machine error will like compound one another with uncertain and unexpected outcomes. Research theme 3: stability, enhancing stability, deterring debit. Manipulation of information landscape adds a new twist to existing risk. Real gaming change scenario of nuclear security. Hunting for nuclear weapon in digital age. In aggregate AI enable and enhance capability will likely have more significant impact on strategical stability than the sum of its parts. Potential game changer in underwater nuclear deterrence. Autonomy and swarming and instance of risk. Autonomous weapons operating in dynamic, complex, possible a priority unknown environment is undeciprated. Case study 3: the AI cyber nucleus. Force multiples for both defensive and offensive cyber weapons. Line between cyber offense and defense world. Paradox of inaccurate capability and increased vulnerability and discerned domain. Advance in AI autonomous will amplify the speed, power, and scale of future attack in cyberspace. Spoofing, which was two states, state A launches a malicious cyber attack of Spoke. State B, AI enable autonomous sensor platforms. An autonomous target recognized system fooling the human operation who makes a mistake in a civilian target a military one. State B, sub-information plus inability of defect. Imaginary that fool the weapons. Automated target recognize systems in the time taken take conversation action. Accidentally a situation. Deep fake. There are three states. State A, hire browsing hackers to use a machine learning and enable generative advice network. A launch deepfake video depicting a senior military commander of State B conspiring a launch primitive strike on State C. Deepfake footage is deliberately leaked into CA and AI augment, intelligent gather and analyze the system, promoting C to E scale situation. Future Research Pulse. Future Research Puzzles. How likely is AI arm race between AI superpower? Well, AI in the strategical decision making a stabilizing and destabilizing. How might linkage between AI related subsets technological affect nuclear stability? In what way might AI increase the potential of metrical conflict between great powers?